Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to take you on a wonderful journey from seed to harvest with the incredible tamarind tree. Trust me, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to grow and care for your very own tamarind tree. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about growing tamarind from seeds. Start by soaking your tamarind seeds in warm water for about 24 hours. This helps to soften the hard seed coat and encourages germination. After soaking, plant the seeds about an inch deep in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. In a few weeks, you should see little seedlings sprouting up. Now, as your tamarind seedlings grow, you'll want to transplant them to a larger pot or directly into the ground if you live in a tropical or subtropical climate. Tamarind trees thrive in full sunlight and well-draining soil. Make sure to space them about 10–15 feet apart to give them room to grow. When it comes to fertilizing your tamarind tree, use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season. A October 10 fertilizer works great. Apply it around the base of the tree, being careful not to touch the trunk. Water the fertilizer in well to help it reach the roots. Keeping your tamarind tree healthy means protecting it from pests. Common pests include aphids, mealybugs, and scale insects. A great natural remedy is neem oil. Mix a few drops of neem oil with water and a bit of dish soap, then spray it on the affected areas. This should help keep those pesky bugs at bay. Tamarind trees are relatively low maintenance, but they do appreciate some extra care. Prune your tamarind tree annually to remove any dead or diseased branches and to encourage healthy growth. Also, keep an eye on the soil moisture, especially during dry spells. Tamarind trees are drought tolerant, but they still need regular watering to produce those delicious pods. Speaking of pods, let's talk about harvesting. Tamarind pods typically mature in late spring to early summer. You'll know they're ready when the pods turn brown and brittle. To harvest, simply twist the pods off the branches. You can enjoy the tangy pulp fresh, or use it in cooking and drinks. And there you have it, folks. Growing and caring for a tamarind tree can be incredibly rewarding. Just remember to start with healthy seeds, provide the right care, and keep an eye out for pests. Soon enough, you'll be enjoying your very own homegrown tamarind. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time.